Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to disable Caps Lock notification on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click App. Click Installed Apps, type HP System Event Utility in search bar, click 3 dots, click Uninstall. Second method is open Logi options, click Settings. Turn off Caps Lock, Number Lock, Scroll Lock, and Function Lock notifications. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open make the keyboard easier to use. Open make it easier to focus on tasks. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.